Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I hope and pray you are doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato gratin. The ingredients are very simple. You will need potatoes, heavy whipping cream, milk, butter, salt and pepper, and other ingredients that I'm going to add as I continue to cook. So I will start by cutting my potatoes very thin and set it aside. I will put it in a pot. Then I will start by taking some milk, put it in a container. Then I will add some heavy cream. I will also add some butter and I will mix it all together. Then I will add some salt and some pepper. I will mix it all together. And I will take 1 tablespoon of butter that I will melt into a pan. Make sure that it's all melted. Then I will add some flour and I will whisk it all together to make sure that I create a little roux. Then I will add the milk that I just mixed with everything else with the heavy cream into the pot to make sure that it creates a heavy roux. This roux is what I'm going to use to put into my potato gratin when I will bake it. I'm continuing to mix it all together to make sure the flour is incorporated in. The ingredients for this recipe will be in the description box down below. Just make sure to check it out so you can find out how I did it. The idea from this roux, I got it from Laura Vitali. You can check her out. And I'm continuing to mix it all together to make sure that everything is well incorporated in. Then I will start by getting my potatoes all aligned into my baking dish, and I'll make sure that I create a layer. Then for the first layer, I will add some milk that we mixed earlier that I kept a little bit. Then I will keep adding another layer until I'm done. Now that all my layers are stacked up together, I'm sprinkling parsley on top of it and then some garlic that I'm also adding. I will now take the roux that I made earlier and I will cut all the potatoes with it. Make sure everything is covered. In the meantime, I will preheat my oven to 450 degrees. This dish will be able to yield at least 8 to 9 or 10 servings, depending on how big your family is. So you will get to enjoy it. It's very good. You can make it every time you want something a little creamy and rich. So now it's been 35 minutes. I've had it in a stove. The potatoes are now very tender. So I'm now going to add some mozzarella cheese on top to cover everything, because that's what makes the potato gratin really good. If you are a cheese lover, you can add more cheese if you want to, but the amount that I'm adding is good enough for me because it's already a rich dish. And I put it back for 15 minutes in the stove. Now it's ready. You can see now, and I'm going to serve it. It smells really good. I hope you enjoy it as much as my family does every time I cook it, because it's a really rich dish. I don't cook it all the time, but every time I do, they really enjoy it. When you try this potato gratin, let me know how you found it on the comments down below. If you like the content of the videos I'm making, hit the like button, subscribe and share the video. Until next time, enjoy.